careful.
Let me put it in first, not you.
Huh?
I want to put it in, not you.
No, I see.
Put what in?
Turkey.
He's putting it in. You're gonna uproot him?
Is the oil as hot?
One second, we just get on.
Guys, stand back. Were you here? You weren't here.
Joseph, it's 350. That's what's supposed to be hotter.
Move back. Everybody move away. Like
I
crazy.
know. Joe, do you need help?
Someone videoing this?
Rock.
Is someone videoing
Rocks.
Joe,
Yeah, I am.
Okay? Oh, he's gonna scream. He's screaming. It's starting to fly. Don't let him pull me in there. Oh.
this? Oh my god.
You good, you good, you good, you
What's
good,
he
you good, you good, you good, you good, you good, you good.
His arms are good.
Slow.
Woo!
Joe's been working out for this all year.
Bad boy screaming his brains out. Get me the hell out of this oven.
In goes the turkey. Joe, smile.
Look at that concentration. There goes the turkey. He's lowering it inch by inch.
Woo, smoking.
About 6 inches in now. That boy's screaming his brains out.
Where did the hanger go? Last time I saw it?
No,
you
the
take it
hanger
out.
comes off,
Oh.
it just sits on that thing.
Joe, turn this way. Rotate this way.
Yeah, you're downwind. Oh, he's going one-handed.
He's getting
He's
tired.
doing tricks.
The boys
Want me to take it?
Oh, watch out now.
Careful.
Oh, now she's really cooking up a spoon.
How long's
Is
it
that
take?
it? Is that the bottom?
No.
Slow.
Slow, look, it's splashing. Doesn't it smell like the butcher? Watch that side,
Yeah,
Mom.
watch out. We were supposed to put something on the ground. We tried that last year.
Oh, we should put tarp on the floor.
No, dangerous.
Didn't we try that last year?
You really can't put anything, it's dangerous.
How are you going to take that thing out?
We do it with the hanger.
Huh? No, you can leave that piece in.